In this video, I'm going to show you how to find hidden photos on your Samsung phone. So if you've accidentally hidden or you're missing some of your photos, I'm going to show you a couple of places you can go and find these. Now, the first step is to come over to your home screen and you need to go and load up the Google Photos app. Once you're in Google Photos, click on Collections at the bottom of this page. You could then scroll down to the bottom and you can click on Locked. Now, this is the first place that you can go to check for any hidden photos. You can see that I don't have anything in here, so we're just going to come back over to the home screen. Now, the second place that you need to check is in a secure folder. Now, if you just scroll up using your finger, you could then click on the search box and search for Secure Folder and go and open up this app here. Now, you may need to enter your passcode in order to access the app. You could then click on your gallery from the list of applications, and from here you'll be able to find any photos that have been hidden on your Samsung Galaxy. So you can see at the top here I have these 3 photos, and this is another place that you can find hidden media. Now, there is one more place that you can look if you can't find it in the secure folder. So just head back over to the home screen and you need to go and load up the Files app on your phone. From this window, click on Internal Storage. Click on the 3 vertical dots and click on Settings. Now select Show Hidden System Files and come back over to the previous window. Now that's going to make it so we can now view all of the media and pictures on this phone. So what you can do is go through the different folders here. So for example, I can click on DCIM and I can click on Camera, and you can go through these folders to try to retrieve or find any hidden files. So you may also want to come back over to this home screen and you can click on Pictures as well. You can click on Thumbnails, and like I said, you can just go through each of these to try to find any hidden media. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.